what about fractions with different denominators? This is how you go about it. This is how you go about it. This is how you go about it. So, for example, you can be given a fraction like this one. Look at this one. A half plus 1 over 6. A half plus a sixth. How can you add those ones? You can see the denominators are different. How can you add this one? So, there is a way how you can add this one, and it's very easy. One of the ways, you simply look at this one is 2, this is a half, this is a sixth. So denominator here is 2, denominator here is 6. So there is one formula whereby you rename one of the fractions so that they can have the same denominator, so they can be easy for you to add them. So like in this case, look, this is a half, this is 1 over 6. You can write this way. You can say 1 over 2 is equals to dash over 6. And you ask yourself, 2 is equals to 6 here. 2 is equals to 6. What about 1 is equals to what? 1 is equals to what? So if 2 is equals to 6, how many times has it gone? Did they multiply? Did they divide? Right? So what you come to realize is that they came they multiplied, right? They took 2 times 3 to get 6. So now because it's 2 times 3 is equals to 6, here also you're going to multiply by 3. So 1 times 3 will give you 3. Right? So after having this one now, take this one, add with this, because look at this one, it's having the same denominator with this one. So come and say 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is equals to 4 over 6, and you're very much correct. Alright? So that is one of the ways of adding fractions with different denominators. You rename one of the fractions. So like in this case, a half plus a sixth, we have renamed a half, and we have get 3 over 6. Therefore, after that, we take 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 to get 4 over 6. That is one of the examples. Look at this example 2. Look at example 2. For example, we are given, like, let's say 2 over 5 plus 2 over 15. 2 over 5 plus 2 over 15. There is something which has happened there. Which thing? Look at this one. Come on, right here. 2 over 5 is equals to dash over 15. How many times here? They have multiplied 3 times by 3. Also here multiplied by 3. 2 times 3 will give you 6. 5 times 3 will give you 15. Therefore, take the named one, add with the one given here. Take 2 over 15. Let me write it here. Don't be worried. Let me write it here. Take now this one. That is 6 over 15. That is, check 6 over 15 plus 2 over 15. You can see they're having the same denominators. Now it is very easy for you to add. So you only add the numerators. So in this case, we'll take 6 plus 2. It will give you 8 over 15. And this one will be very much correct. Alright? Let me show you the last example. Look at this one. Let's say for example 5 over 12 plus 3 over 4. 5 over 12 plus 3 over 4. How can you add that one? They are fractions but of different denominators. This is how you go about it. You rename one of these fractions. Look at these two. Look at the denominators. Between 12 and 4, which one is bigger? You come to realize that 12 is bigger than 4. So what you're going to do, you rename one of the fractions. Let's take 3 over 4 because the number is small. Right here, 3 over 4 is equals to dash over 12. So you ask yourself, from 4 to 12, how many times have they multiplied? You come to realize they have multiplied by 3 here, and here also by 3. Alright? So in this case, you'll have 3 times 3, it will be 9. 4 times 3, 12. So because this one has already been named, now take 5 over 12 plus 9 over 12. You'll simply have 9 plus 5. It will be 14 over 12, right? I mean, yeah, 14 over 12. So this one is 14 over 12, right? So if maybe you have been told to leave your answer as an improper fraction, you can leave it in that manner. But maybe if you're supposed to give your answer as a mixed fraction, you can go ahead and do this one. You can take 14, 14, the numerator now divided by the denominator divided by 12. How many times? One time because of 12. Take 14 minus 12, you remain with 2. So your answer will be 1, 2 over 12. 1, 2 over 12. So if you take this one, 12 times 1 give you 12 plus 1 plus 2, that will be 14, 14 over 12. So 1, 2 over 12. It can be your answer. Or you can even simplify this one by 2, 1 by 2, 6. You can get 1 and 1 over 6. So 14 over 12 can be the answer. 1 and 2 over 12 can be the answer. 1 and 1 over 6 can also be the answer. So these answers, all of them are correct, right? So guys, let's meet in the next episode. I'll keep on explaining more about different adding fractions with different denominators. Thank you so much.